still stupid o'clock, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, there we go.
5 to 6, yep.
5 to 6, and we are on our way to Cobar. Is still the destination, I believe?
Yep. Cobar today.
Cobar today. Beyond tomorrow. But yeah.
Petersburg. Yep.
Yep. And yeah. And those lights seem to work, mate.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, they do. We can now see the street and all the cars that we won't see for another 2 weeks. Somebody cleaned that up last night.
Yeah.
Sorry, Thursday night. I guess, again, except in this direction this time. And here we are with 2 CanAms, which is the whole point. 1 and 2, so 676 and 677, and one of the drivers, which is Nathan and Mark, who I'm travelling with. Yeah. So here we are, freezing out. He goes off on the way to Bathurst. But yeah, there you go. That's what we're doing it for. Should be great. So there might have been a little bit of rain in the old town. We're in Gilgandra. We're about 250k from Cobar. That's where we're headed for tonight. And yeah, it's all looking pretty good. Cobar. So what's the first thing you do when you roll into a country town? Yes, that's it. You fuel up, because you've got to make it to the next country town, or you know, several of them in our case. So here we are, and that's us finishing fueling up.